अब हम तकरीब के सिलसिला को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. I would like to request Professor Amir Hafiz Sahab, Department of English, to say some words about guide. जी, Sir Amir Hafiz Sahib.
Thank you, Professor Shafkat Abbas. A very warm welcome and a very special thank you to Chairperson, Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Multan Board, Dr. Shamim Akhtar Sayal, for being the chief guest of our online Quaid-e-Azam seminar today. A very, very special thank you to His Excellency Professor Dr. Zia Ahmed, worthy principal of Government Emerson College, Multan, who always leads from the front and sets stage for the teachers and the students of Emerson College to express themselves. A very, very great thank you to my colleagues, Professor Shafkat Abbas, Professor Abrar Mohyuddin, Professor Rabia Mohsin, for making me part of this wonderful history-making day. A very special thank you to all the participants, our dear students, the cream of Emerson College, who have participated in this online seminar staged by Government Emerson College, Multan. Ladies and gentlemen, the day 25th December and the date 25 December belongs to the one and only personality, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a man who was created by God to do the magic, to create something which lives till eternity. He was the father of the nation, and he is the father of the nation. He was the founder of Pakistan, and he is the founder of Pakistan. He was the liberator of the people of the subcontinent, and he is the liberator of the people of the subcontinent. He is the translator of dream of Allama Muhammad Iqbal into the reality of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. He was a person who lived for the people, and that is why today on 25th of December we are paying him the tribute. He is a personality that stands tall among all the leaders of the world. He is a man who is highly idealized by every individual as a politician, as a lawyer, as a server of the nation. He is a personality that is a mentor, a motivation for the billions who live in the darkness of slavery. Ladies and gentlemen, Quaid-e-Azam was not one man. He is a complete chapter. Ladies and gentlemen, Quaid-e-Azam is not one man, but a figure that made history, and that history will be appreciated, admired, and live in the hearts of humanity till eternity. Dear students, we need to remember that 25 December is not a simple day of celebration and paying tribute to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Rather, it is a day to commemorate what the Quaid did, what the Quaid achieved, and what the Quaid said for us. He created a homeland, and he translated the two-nation theory into the practical. We believe that had there been no Quaid-e-Azam, we would not have got Pakistan. We believe that once he said unity, faith, discipline, we should learn this lesson and we should practically apply these rules. I think personally that we need to add one more point to this, that not only the Quaid said unity, faith, and discipline, rather he added one more very important segment to it, and that is tolerance. Today, we need to apply the rule of tolerance. We need to live together with the principle of tolerance. If we add these four principles in our lives, we will stand tall among the nations of the world. We need to remember what God did for us, but we need to take his work into our hands now, and let's take this board of Pakistan to the harbor of safety, solidarity, unity, and prosperity. Let's remember 25th December as a day to seek guidance. Let's remember 25th December a day to pay tribute to Quaid-e-Azam and the promise he made and fulfilled in 1947, that yes, in years to come, we will continue that dream into reality. We will do what we can do. We will do what Quaid expected from us, and we will save our country from every hot wind, from every challenge, from everything inside and outside, and make Pakistan a Pakistan of dream of Quaid-e-Azam and Allama Iqbal. We believe that as a nation, this is the right time to seek guidance, to go back to the chapter of the history and find what the Quaid said and how he achieved, how he made a marvel in the history of mankind. In the end, I would suggest that let's unite and let's make this day a day for the future. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so very much, Professor Amir Hafiz Sahab. A lot of thanks, sir, and very well said.